Restoring a salvaged vehicle can be a rewarding experience, but your fixer-upper won't be street legal until you pass an inspection and fill out some paperwork. Here's how to obtain a rebuilt title in New York. A car with a salvage title or one that's been declared a wreck cannot be registered in New York until the title is certified as rebuilt. The first step to getting a rebuilt title is making the necessary repairs on your car. As you go about buying the parts, make sure to keep all your receipts or proof of ownership, as you'll need these documents later. Be mindful of New York laws when completing your repairs. For example, all deployed airbag systems must be replaced with new airbags. Rules like these are all outlined at dmv.ny.gov. The next step to getting a rebuilt title in New York is to apply for a salvage vehicle examination by filling out Form MV83SAL. The application can be found at this URL. Once completed, print out and mail the form along with your payment and any other required documents to the following address: Auto Theft and Salvage, DFI, P.O. Box 2105, Empire State Plaza, Albany, New York 12220. The salvage vehicle examination application fee will set you back around $200. In addition to this payment, you'll need to submit the following materials: your printed and signed salvage examination application, the original proof of ownership, the original bill of sale or dealer reassignment, proof of sales tax paid, the original lien or lien release, and proof of identity such as a copy of your driver's license. Upon review, the DMV will mail you a letter with the date and time of your scheduled examination along with the location of the facility. If you need to change your appointment, you can do so by contacting the DMV at least 2 days in advance, either by phone at 518-474-0955 or by email at dmv.sm.dficancel@dmv.ny.gov. Remember those receipts we mentioned earlier? On the day of your salvage vehicle examination, you'll want to bring all your receipts or proof of ownership documents for the parts you replaced. The inspector will want to see them. If the inspector feels that your rebuilt vehicle is unsafe, it won't be examined and you'll need to reschedule your appointment. The examination itself only takes about half an hour. If your vehicle passes, you can expect to get your rebuilt title in the mail within 15 business days. For more information about vehicle titles, car ownership, and more, go to getjerry.com.